So let's talk about the thing on everyone's mind, Project One. Project One is the photograph as conversation. You'll notice all the projects in this class have kind of names like this where we're talking about photography. I mean, everybody knows what a photograph is, right? And you experience them every day, and you take them every day, and you post them every day, and you view other people's photographs every day. But this is really about transforming a photograph from just simply an image into something else. And so every project is sort of about that transformation. And this one happens to be about the transformation from photograph or a series of photographs to conversation. So using your camera, this is the prompt, using your camera, capture 15 photographs minimum to create a loose narrative. Okay? So 15 photographs minimum, you can have more than that, that's fine. What does the word narrative mean? Right? You're probably yelling at your screen right now that it means story. And that is accurate. And that is one exploration of this project, right? You could say, okay, a narrative is a story, and so I'm going to take a picture of a story. It could also mean an idea in this context. Perhaps the narrative is a concept or an idea that's being expressed through these 15 photographs cohesively. It could be a tone that you're expressing. For example, the narrative could simply be a dark, stormy night, right? Or the narrative could be a quiet city. These are all different narratives that you could explore within your photography. But what's important for me and for this class is that the narrative should be inferred by the audience, not directed by the artist. That means this is not, I'm going to go take 15 pictures. The first picture is me waking up. The next picture is me stepping out of bed. The next picture is me brushing my hair, etc. This is not a comic book, right? We're not looking at sequential art. The narrative should be inferred by the audience. This is more about how you can transform photographs, 15 photographs or more, in a sort of collection to an idea, basically. So again, I just want to really drive this home. You're not directing the audience. You're not going to have a picture of you sitting at a desk and then a picture of you doing this and so on and so forth. And this is the biggest sort of struggle for most students. No editing. Okay, I would prefer that you don't crop, but definitely no Photoshop, no Lightroom, nothing on your phone. Okay, no editing. And you're going to submit it as a Flickr album. So just like how we have before, name it, title it. Don't just name it untitled. Don't name it Project One. Give it an actual title for your project. So maybe the narrative is, if it's about a dark and stormy night, maybe it's called Dark and Stormy Night. Right? You can use more creative titles than that, but those of you that have taken our classes before, you know how to do this. So you're going to submit that as a Flickr album, and you're going to include an artist statement as the description for that Flickr album. And I'll get more into that in a future class. But for now, start working on your project.